Okay, good morning students. Today, magnetic effect of electricity, chapter 13, class 10 physics. And the third video is there. This video is related to Fleming's left hand rule and electric motor. Okay. First of all, Fleming's right hand rule was explained by me in second video, but left hand rule was left. That's why I am explaining about the left hand, Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule, just like the right hand, if we stretch middle finger, this middle finger, forefinger and thumb of our left hand. For left hand rule, left hand we stretch just like each one perpendicular to each other, forefinger, middle finger and thumb. We adjust such that each one make 90 degrees to each other. Then if forefinger shows the direction of magnetic field, middle finger shows the direction of current, then our thumb will show the direction of force. Okay. The same language, the Fleming's left hand rule I have written. You can take the snap from the board. Okay. Listen. Once again, Fleming's left hand rule is used to show the direction of force on conductor. When a current carrying conductor is kept in a magnetic field, in which direction force will be applied, we can find from this rule. And right hand rule, we use this rule to in a motor, in which direction motor will rotate. That the same rule, right hand rule will be applied to know the direction of rotation of motor for the right hand rule. But left hand rule, anywhere, either motor or not, if a current carrying conductor is kept in a magnetic field, in which direction force is applied, that will be found by Fleming's left hand rule. Once again listen. If we stretch forefinger, middle finger and thumb of our left hand such that each one make 90 degrees to each other, if forefinger shows the direction of magnetic field, middle finger shows the direction of current, then our thumb will show the direction of force. Suppose if the current is going towards you, then field will be go to upside and our right side force will be applied. Okay, students. Now electric motor. From this principle, electric motor is invented by Michael Faraday. Listen, electric motor, the definition of electric motor is, it is a device which converts electrical energy into मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. देखिए बैटरी से हम इस मोटर में डीसी मोटर है, डीसी मोटर का पहचान, इसमें जो है स्प्लिट रिंग होता है. ये रिंग यहाँ कटा हुआ आपको दिख रहा होगा, दोनों साइड से कटा है, और ये जो डॉट लाइन है वो शाफ्ट है. इसी शाफ्ट पर ये फिक्स है. जब ये शाफ्ट घूमेगा तो इसको लेकर के घूमेगा. किसको? इस स्प्लिट रिंग को. स्प्लिट रिंग इस पर दोनों तरफ एडजस्ट है. जब ये घूमेगा तो ये स्प्लिट रिंग जो है वहीं पर स्लाइड करेगा, स्प्लिट रिंग को लेकर घूमेगा, और इस पर जो कार्बन ब्रूश है ये स्लाइड करता है स्प्लिट रिंग पर. हाफ रोटेशन के बाद ये पोर्शन जो कटिंग पोर्शन है वो हाफ पोर्शन के बाद यहाँ पे आ जाएगा कार्बन ब्रश पर, और ये राइट साइड वाला इधर राइट साइड कार्बन ब्रश को टच करेगा, बिलो वाला ये लेफ्ट साइड को टच करेगा. इसलिए हाफ राउंड के बाद ये जो स्प्लिटेड पोर्शन है वो कनेक्टेड हो जाएंगे, और डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट विल बी इन द सेम. दैट्स व्हाई मोटर विल रोटेट इन यूनि डायरेक्शन. Once again listen, electric motor. The construction of electric motor is a rectangular coil is kept between two opposite poles of magnet. For the small motors up to 3 volt, 6 volt, 9 volt and 12 volt, fixed the magnets poles are permanent magnet is taken. But for the 440 volt, 440 volt supply, heavy motor, there is armature winding there in north pole and south pole to produce heavy magnetism. Okay, but in small motors, only permanent magnet is used. And when supply is given, see the north pole to south pole, north pole to south pole magnetic lines will magnetic lines of forces will passes automatically from north to south, but this coil of conductor having another magnetic lines of forces. Just like you know that the right hand rule, if current is passing upward, then the magnetic field is formed like in clockwise here and anti-clockwise here. Hence two magnetic lines of forces are interact to each other, and according to Fleming's right hand rule, force will be applied. Force will be applied and it will rotate this axle in half round. After half round, this cutting split will be connected to this slit, and this connected split will connect to this carbon brush, and below open portion will be connected to left side carbon brush, and then after half rotation connection will be continue, and for the half rotation forces will applied to rotate it half direction, and after half rotation it will current direction will be changed, and again in unidirection the force will be applied. I have made here one thing. You can see here ABCD current is going on. ABCD current is going on, and after half rotation the portion will be ABCD will be like this. You can see DCBA. You can see after half rotation current direction will be DCBA, and this carbon splitted ring will be connected to carbon brush, and unidirection current will be applied. Then the motor will rotate in unidirection. केवल एक डायरेक्शन में ये रोटेट करेगा. इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है तो इसकी पोलैरिटी चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो क्लॉकवाइज से एंटी क्लॉकवाइज कर सकते हैं, और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज से क्लॉकवाइज कर सकते हैं. ओके, ये लग रहा है कि मोटर आपने कुछ समझ लिया होगा. इलेक्ट्रिक ये डीसी मोटर का पहचान है, इसमें स्प्लिट रिंग होता है, और एसी मोटर होगा तो उसमें स्लिप रिंग होंगे. दो अलग अलग कंप्लीट रिंग होगा जिसको फर्दर कम्यूटेटर के रूप में कनेक्ट करते हैं. बहुत सारे रिंग होते हैं उसमें, इसलिए कम्यूटेटर पर एडजस्ट का भी आता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.